Okay, my name is Addie Mattson, and my project was called Dogs and Dental Care. The purpose of my project was to discover which brand of canine toothpaste was most effective in decreasing oral bacteria. My hypothesis was that the brand Veerback would decrease the most bacteria because it contained something called the CET dual enzyme system, which was specifically formulated by the brand to decrease oral bacteria and plaque. However, with experimentation, my hypothesis was incorrect because the other brand, Nylabone, actually decreased the most bacteria. And the dog that received that brand, her name was Bess, and it decreased the amount of bacteria by almost 100 square millimeters. And to measure the amount of bacteria on each petri dish, I used ImageJ, which is something you can download on your computer, and you can basically outline all the little circles of bacteria on your petri dish, and it calculates the area. So I did that for each test, and I had Simba. He received the Veerback, which was what I hypothesized would be the most effective, but it wasn't. It only decreased it a little bit. And like I said, Bess had a huge decrease of about like this. This was before treatment, and this was after treatment. And Blossom received the Arm & Hammer brand, and she actually had an increase of about 100 square millimeters, so that brand obviously did not work at all. And my control actually was kind of a fluke. He did not receive any treatment at all, but his bacteria decreased by like 100 millimeters for the area. So basically, that kind of goes into my uncontrolled variables, so next time I'm going to try to control environmental factors, and ideally the dogs would be on the same routine and diet, but that was not the case this time. So in conclusion, the Nylabone toothpaste is most effective, so if you go buy that for your dog, get the Nylabone.